so now we're going to go ahead and add this to TopTool. Now to do that, I want to actually launch TopSolid, or TopSolid tool, whatever, TopTool, pardon me, from outside the software. So I'm going to go to my Start button, I'm going to go to All Programs, I'm going to go to Missler, or in my case, CAD/CAM Products, usually will be under Missler Software, and you're going to go find TopSolid 2007 and launch TopTool. Here you'll say Go, and the reason you're doing this is just so you can launch outside the software. Okay? So from here, we have TopTool, and now we're going to go add our tool. So let's go to Description, Catalogs, Workshop Components. We're going to go to Database for Missler. We're going to go to Links. And now we're going to choose where we're going to put our link in. So I'm going to just say Milling Attachment and say OK. Now first thing I want to do maybe is go ahead and find something that's similar. Here you can see we have an HSK holder, Cat 50. I'm going to go here to my Cat 40, okay? I was just looking for one that's like what I want. I'm going to hit Add. So here we want Cat 40, and I'm going to call this 250 tapered extension holder. Okay? Now, this is the hold link. This refers to inside of TopTool, the hold link you use when describing your cutters. We can come and change this at any time. I'm just going to leave it alone. And actually, I'm going to leave all of this alone because we're going to do this in a non-parametric way, so a lot of this stuff just doesn't matter. So I'm just going to hit Add. So now that I have my 250 tapered extension holder, I'm going to go Modify it. I'm going to go to General, and I'm going to click on Top Draw. This is going to launch another session of TopSolid. So we have to wait for it to go ahead and launch. As it launches, I'm going to actually go ahead and close down that file. Okay. And once this thing loads up here, there we go. So now we're loaded up. And this is the tool that it has defined. I'm going to go ahead and fill up the screen. So this is not actually what we want. So instead what we're going to do is this. First of all, notice the Z prog length. This just describes the offset, so how far the tool needs to stick out of the holder. So we're going to have to go and measure that distance. So we need our link Z program length. Okay, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do a Save As and copy this name. So I'm going to just do a Control-C. And now I'm going to close this without saving it. And I'm going to open my CAM replacement holder. Okay, and we're going to do a Save As. And this time we're going to back up, go to our Missler directory, Config, Database, and Draw. And here we're going to name this that. Okay? So we'll say OK. Now that's named, and now we need to know the distance from here to here. Alright, so to do that, I'm just going to go get a 3D dimension from the center point of this to here. So we know our hold link needs to be 3 5/8. Okay? So like that, I'm just going to turn my rendering to here. I'm going to hit Save, and I'll close this down. And now here, I'm going to go back to TopTool, just say Modify. I'm going to go in here one more time, and now you can see a preview of the holder. And our Z-length to program value, if I hit F1 on my keyboard, Z-length to program, this is the link Z prog value. We want it to be 3.625. Okay? Modify one last time. Quit and quit. So now we're back to the main top tool. In the next video, we're going to link a tool and test it.